everyone. I wanted to show you how to use these great resources that I have created for you for a full week of awesome kindergarten work to get ready for first grade. If you are on your Google page, you go over to the waffle right next to where you are logged in. You must be logged in as your student. You must be logged in as your student right there. So you click on the waffle, go to Classroom. It's spinning up here, as you can see. And after you click on Classroom, let it load, and it should come up over here as Mrs. Lamson's kindergarten. Okay, do not click here. Click on here. Do Friday, the distance learning week. Click here. And the assignment comes up. Instead of clicking over here, you actually go over here, right above my head, and you will see your name and it says Google Slides. So you're going to open this. Now I'm going to go away so that you can see the full screen. It loads the slides over to the left. I'm going to hit present so that you can see it bigger, but you don't have to do that. The first slide obviously is just my name and email address. So I'm just making it bigger. I'm making the slides bigger so you can see one at a time instead of all. Loading. Okay, so as you see, the first slide is just my name and the email address. Then the next slide is our daily schedule. And on our daily schedule, we want to make sure that we are accomplishing every part of our daily work. This is exactly like you would do at school. You're going to be getting out of school at about 2:30, 3 o'clock, but you're starting later. You're starting at 9:20. Our first activity is calendar. It says see the last two slides. I'm going to click on over to those. Right here, you click for calendar time. It will load the Starfall app, and it should pop right up. And it's not necessarily an app, just a link. Click the on button, and it comes to the April.
April 2000.
And you will go through the whole thing. Okay. Then on our next slide, there are just some fun days of the week songs and months of the year songs. Okay. Now back up to where I was. Okay. So your daily schedule, you have on each time what to do. And the red C activities grid is referring to the slide right here. This is your activities grid. Okay. So you will go through all the different activities throughout the day, and you have a full week of work on the activities grid to do, just like you were in school. Daily attendance, I would appreciate it if you would send me a picture of your work, either on Google Classroom, Parent Square, Flipgrid, however you want to show me that you are getting your work done, that what I'm assigning you. And our awesome grid, here it is. So you will click on the green underline words to get to the links. For example, here is a video. Our fun letter videos that we do every morning.
Jack Cartman! Kids Music Channel! The Owls
alphabet, the alphabet. Sing and learn the letters.
So that is how you would get. And then when you want to get back to obviously our tab is up here. You can just click off of this and it'll take you back to the grid. And here's your grid. So you will go through, as I said, on our schedule, I have it in order. So you will do phonics instruction, then head sprout, then your read aloud, then your math. And then after lunch, you have a drawing or art of some kind. PE, there's a link for a video there. These are all, like I said, videos on how to do it. And then last is our science. And we are going to be doing rabbits the first week. And we'll be doing some other farm animals until the end of the school year. And so for this week, you're going to, for your writing, write 3 facts about what you learned. For our art, you're going to write 2 or 3 sentences about what you learned. And this is the kind of thing that you'll send me. And in the morning, I want you to retell the story that I have sent you. This is Peter Rabbit, and it's a read aloud. And you will tell me this, you will give me the details beginning, middle, end. And math, you will watch the video and then make your own groups of 10 using finger or food objects. Or I may have a PDF attached to this, something that you can print and do, like I do for phonics. So if I click here, it goes directly to a PDF that you can either print. You can either print this piece of paper, or you can get your own piece of paper and do the activity, and the instructions will be at the top. We've done lots of these in classrooms, but your parents might not know that you need to put the beginning sound. So D for dinosaur, O for orange, and of course the word is do. And then you'll do the other ones, the last word being eggs. Then you'll illustrate the sentence and write the sentence that you just made with the cracking the code. Okay. And then, as I said, make sure you go all the way through. After lunch, click on the next one. Oops, I went to a link, sorry. Click on the next, go down to the next grid, and you can see the different ways to do things in the afternoon. Okay. So once again, these are the same slides. I showed you really big. I just hit present so you can see them bigger, and they work either way. Let me know if you have any questions.